This is part 5 on my series on what you need to know for the 2026 elections here in Indiana. For this video, I'm going to be talking about your state representatives and your state senators. Now, people often get wrapped up looking at the sexy offices like in the federal government. They talk about U.S. congressmen, U.S. senators. They forget that we have representatives that are going down to work for and represent you in Indianapolis. And they are working on the laws and issues for you as a resident of the state of Indiana. And now remember, as an American, these are your OG representatives. Before there even was a United States, if you lived in a state, you had some form of state government and state government representatives. So here in Indiana, you have the Indiana General Assembly. It is just like Congress in Washington, D.C., except it's called the Indiana General Assembly. You have two chambers, just like in D.C. You have the House and the Senate. Now, Indiana state representatives serve in the House of Representatives. There's 100 of them. Each of them serves a 2-year term. Because their districts are smaller, those representatives tend to focus on issues that affect local communities more directly. An important responsibility for the House is that all state budget bills have to start there. So that means that those representatives play a really key role in deciding how Indiana spends its money. Now, Indiana state senators, they serve in the Senate. There's only 50 senators, 100 in the representatives and 50 senators. Those 50 senators each serve 4-year terms. Now, the senators represent larger districts, and so they have to often work on broader, long-term policy issues. Now, even though senators and representatives have different roles, they actually share many responsibilities. Both groups have to write bills, they serve on committees, they have to listen to concerns from residents and work with the residents of their district on whatever those concerns are. They have to work together to pass laws, and those laws affect everybody across the whole state. And often they have to help residents navigate various state agencies. So if you're having a problem with a state agency, you should be able to reach out to your state representative or your state senator, and they can help you through whatever that problem is. Overall, Indiana senators and representatives, they act as a voice of the people. So they're supposed to bring your local concerns to the state level. They'll make decisions that impact millions of Hoosiers, and they'll help shape the future of Indiana through the laws that they create. So since representatives only serve 2-year terms, every representative is on the ballot every 2 years. And then obviously senators are on the ballot every 4 years. So you'll have to look up who is on your ballot or who represents you. You can go to indianavoters.com and do that. And while you're there, check and make sure that you are registered to vote.